Hi everyone, this is Emmy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my vegan sweet potato pie. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To make my sweet potato pie, first I'm going to peel my sweet potato, cut it up into slices, and boil it. Bring the pot to a boil. Place a wooden utensil over the top to prevent them from boiling over, and you can place a cover over there. And you're going to cook those until they're soft. Because this is not a high-fat pie crust, I'm going to grease my pie pan. While the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to make my pie crust. And I have here 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt. Stir that in. And I'm using almond milk. Okay, and I'm just going to mix that up. And I usually just start mixing where the puddle is and then pull the dry ingredients in a little at a time. Now when your dough can form a ball like this, put some flour on your board and place your ball of dough in the center. Now this is going to make 2 pie crusts, so I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to roll it to the size of my pie plate. When the pie crust is about 1 inch larger than your pie pan, roll it onto your rolling pin and into your pie plate. You can trim this off, or you can just tuck it under. And then crimp all around the edges with a fork. And now we're ready to prepare the sweet potato filling. Place the remaining dough in a plastic bag and refrigerate or freeze for a later time. Now that my sweet potatoes are done, I'm going to drain them and mash them with a potato masher. Okay, I have approximately 2 cups of sweet potatoes, and to that I'm going to add a cup of milk. I'm just going to get that mixed into the sweet potatoes. I'm going to add a cup of brown sugar. Mix that up. Add a half a teaspoon of salt, a heaping teaspoon of cinnamon, and about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Get everything together. In the cup that I used, I'm going to put 5 tablespoons of flour. Add some milk and just mix this to a paste. And add that to my sweet potato mixture. And again, just get that all mixed up. And at this point, you can taste it. See if you need to add anything else, but that is perfect. Pour my sweet potato mixture into my pie crust. And I'm going to bake until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Okay, and my pie is finished, and I'm going to put some soy ice cream on, and I'm going to give it a taste. And that is delicious. I love it. So I hope you'll try my vegan sweet potato pie. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.